Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll look at 7 e-commerce business challenges and how to solve them. The first e-commerce business challenge is online identity verification. When someone visits your website, how do you know if that person is genuinely interested? Are they entering their real name and contact information? For all you know, all of the information they enter could be fake. Thankfully, due to software such as Fraud Labs Pro, you can protect your e-commerce store from fraudulent users. Fraud detection software can help you to control fraud attempts without sacrificing a positive customer service experience. The second e-commerce business challenge is competitor analysis. In the world of e-commerce, there are many competitors offering similar products and services. So how do you set yourself apart? Conduct a thorough competitor analysis to find out what products your competitors are offering and how much they're selling it for. How are they generating leads? Do they have any promotions going on? Brainstorm ideas as to how you can set yourself apart. Problem number 3 is customer loyalty. It can cost up to 5 times more to acquire a new customer versus retaining an existing one. To maintain customer loyalty, make sure to be transparent by displaying your address, phone numbers, and contact information on your site. Blog regularly to give a human angle to your business and help with your search engine optimization, as well as send emails, which are customers' preferred choice of business communication. Business challenge number 4 are product return and refund policies. Data shows that 89% of online shoppers have made a return in the past 3 years, so your policy on the subject is important. Never hide or try to trick customers about your return policy. Be transparent and make sure customers can easily find the details about the return process. Challenge number 5 is price and shipping. To stay competitive with bigger retailers, consider including the cost of shipping within your product price. Beyond this, get creative and look beyond big name carriers. Look into using a local delivery or courier company that will deliver your product quickly to your customers at a competitive rate. E-commerce business challenge number 6 are retailers and manufacturers. Many online businesses buy their products from retailers and manufacturers. Unfortunately, many times, these same providers sell the same products directly to customers. Include a statement in your contract that restricts the manufacturer from selling directly to customers. Finally, problem number 7 is data security. Attackers can not only infect your website with viruses, but they can also expose confidential data. No matter your online store's platform, find a security plugin to prevent your website from getting hacked. Some common plugins include WordFence, Bulletproof Security, and McAfee Secure. And don't forget, at OptinMonster.com, we have a free ebook for you about 19 proven ways to reduce your cart abandonment and grow your revenue. Sign up and get access today.